In this slide number 1, we will talk about the notification overview for the recruitment of circle-based officers by the State Bank of India. This notification, published under advertisement number CRPD, CBO, 2025-26-03, invites applications from eligible candidates to be appointed as officers in the specific circles they apply for. The recruitment process involves multiple stages including an online test, screening, interview, and a local language proficiency test. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the total number of vacancies available under this recruitment. There are 2,600 regular vacancies along with 364 backlog vacancies. These vacancies are distributed across various circles and are reserved for different categories including SC, ST, OBC, EWS, and persons with benchmark disabilities. In this slide number 3, we will discuss the application fee required to apply for the post. Candidates belonging to the General, OBC, or EWS categories need to pay an application fee of 750 rupees. However, there is no fee for candidates belonging to SC, ST, or PWBD categories. Please note that the fee is non-refundable under any circumstances. In this slide number 4, we will talk about the important dates you need to remember. The online application process begins on the 9th of May, 2025, and the last date to submit the application is the 29th of May, 2025. The online examination and call letter download are tentatively scheduled for July 2025. It is crucial to stay updated with the bank's official website for any changes. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the age criteria for applying. The minimum age to apply is 21 years and the maximum is 30 years as on the 30th of April 2025. This means candidates should have been born between the 1st of May 1995 and the 30th of April 2004. Age relaxation is provided for different categories: 5 years for SC and ST, 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer, and up to 15 years for persons with benchmark disabilities depending on their category. In this slide number 6, we will talk about the qualifications and experience required for this role. Candidates must be graduates in any discipline from a recognized university. Even those with professional degrees such as engineering, medicine, chartered accountancy, or cost accountancy are eligible. In addition, a minimum of 2 years experience as an officer in a scheduled commercial bank or regional rural bank is required as on the 30th of April 2025. Candidates must also be proficient in the local language of the circle they are applying to.